everyone, I'm Kitty.
And I'm Jason.
And we are here in Chicago.
Shooting with the Insta360 ONE X. So shooting this entire project, I was using a gimbal, a camera, a couple lenses, and while we did get amazing shots, it was a lot of stuff to carry around, and by the end of the day, I was definitely a lot more exhausted than Kitty was shooting with the Insta360 ONE X.
And some of the accessories I brought with me is not only the camera and extra batteries, but also this selfie stick, the extended selfie stick for like jib and fake drone shots.
So what's cool with the Insta360 ONE X is that we can use it to fake drone shots, especially at locations where we're not allowed to fly a drone. You definitely don't want to be flying a drone over a train station. And this camera here allows us to get really extreme angles, stuff that we normally wouldn't be able to get on other types of cameras.
So here's a shot of one of my favorite features on the ONE X. These are time shifts or hyperlapses. I did some orbitals around the bean, and it's awesome because you could center the bean in post and not have to worry about where it's positioned. So all you gotta worry about is how far your distance is from your subjects. Via the app, you could add motion blur and speed adjustments really easily. Have fun with that.
Another upside to the Insta360 ONE X is the flow state stabilization. The footage looks very stable while we're walking, while we're on the boat, on a bus, and even on a bike.
I like seeing how many different ways I could do time lapses, so we did a night lapse at the Chicago Theater, and it was really nice because it auto-stitched so I could view it right away and do different tests if I needed to.
So pretty much this is all that we have to carry. This camera here is super mountable. We never have to worry about focus or what's in the frame because everything is in frame.
Really challenges the way we shoot because this is such a new technology. You really have to think of what type of shots you could do with it and also edit later in post, which comes in my next point because normally when I shoot between Instagram or YouTube, you have to change the camera angle and tilt it vertical or landscape, but with this, you can shoot everything and later edit the ratio, whether it's a 1:1, a 9:16, or a 16:9, it's got you. If you're interested in getting shots like we did in this video, Insta360 actually has a deal going on with their creator kit and Insta360 ONE X.
See the link in the description box below for more details, and don't forget to subscribe to Atola Visuals,
Jason Vaughn,
and Insta360.
Insta360.
Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Done.